I'm here requeening the hive with a push-in cage, but every year we get calls about people accidentally let their queens fly, and surprisingly some people don't realize that queens that are mated but haven't been laying, you know, quite recently are apt to fly. So I'm going to try to let this one fly, and so we can show you what happens, and hopefully we'll get a cool demonstration. So I'm going to let her out, and then hopefully she takes off. We can get her to fly. Yeah, she's not flying far, but my queen just flew off. Do you see where she went? What people do is call me up, but what you should do is just stand still, stay where you are, leave your hive open. This cage smells just like her, and sometimes it just takes a few minutes, and we'll wait and see if she comes back. Because a lot of times they call me up, and by the time I get the phone call or the email to give the advice, it's too late, and she could be on the outside of the hive or something. So we're going to see if she comes back. There she is. There she is right there. She's coming. And there she is. So now I can put her, I can move her over to where I want to put her over here on this frame. But so it's really important not to close anything up. Stay right where you are, because you're a landmark now. Because when she left, she did her orientation, and most of the time she'll come back. So don't close your hive up. And the other important thing is, a lot of times as you're closing your hive up and doing this, what we hear is that you're not paying attention. Check your coat, because she'll land on your back or on your shoulder, and that's where she's going to be. So yeah. It's not at all as lost. Just if you can remember this and stay calm, she's probably going to come back. And now we got her, and it's no problems. So pretty cool one, I think.